Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can personalize lock screen on your iPhone. So to get started, first of all go ahead and tap on the display or the screen. So yeah, once you tap on it, here you can see many options to change or personalize your lock screen. So you can see the option called customize right there. Go ahead and tap on it. So here you can change the picture and you can just tap on that time, and you can also just change it and customize it on your own. You can select fonts for your lock screen too. You can also zoom in, zoom out, and or you can also change the theme and make it to your choice. You can also add widget up to 2 widgets. You can only add up to 2 widgets or 3. So yeah, this is all guys. This is how easily you can personalize your lock screen on your iPhone. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.